In the previous lecture, we have seen how we can update a record. Now suppose I want to delete a record from the table. We'll be studying in this lecture. So this is my table. That is, I have these rows. Suppose I want to delete this last row. Okay, so let's do that. I will use the command delete from employee. Okay, so where I have to write a condition that which row I want to delete. That is, employee ID is equal to 1210. It will delete it, or let's first do this. So it will delete this row, or I can write and where employee ID is this and country is equal to France. So I've written two conditions here. Let's run this. It's saying one row deleted, and if I run this again, let me run this again, it will throw an error because this is already deleted. It's saying me zero error, zero row selected, because it was not able to find any row with this selection. That is with this where the employee ID is this and country is France. So let us print the tables so to check if this row is really deleted or not. That is, select asterisk from employee, and if I run this, let me run this again. Yeah, so I can see that the employee ID, which was 1210 and the country was France, is already deleted. So this is how you can use the delete command for deleting a row in a table. Thank you.